Here is Module 4, Lesson 30's exit ticket. Let's go ahead and go through it. A pretty interesting problem, I think. As you see, it appears that Alejandro has been repairing a stained glass window. I'm going to zoom in here to make sure it focuses up. And he needs to take it apart to repair it. But before taking it apart, he has a sketch and angle he has made a sketch with the angle measures to put it back together, so he knows. But he really only needs to measure 2 of the angles because he can figure out the third. That'll make his life a little easier. So what we want to think about is how we can use our MathWriter CFS here to start to build, MathWriter CFS, we can start to build a really, really awesome explanation. So here I can see, right, 1, 2, 3 angles combine to form a single straight line. So that can kind of be like my first fact that I state. The three angles combine to form a straight angle. And I can kind of make my explanation a little simpler by, in parentheses, what do you think I could say about a straight angle? Well, I could think, well, what does a straight angle measure? Altogether, a straight angle always measures 180 degrees. So this is the first fact I can state as I start to explain my answer. So now I might actually say, well, combine means add. And I've got 3 angles to add together. And when I do add them together, they form, when I combine them, they form a straight angle. And so what are those 3 things? Well, it's 40, it's x, and it's 30. All of those combine to form 180 degrees. So right here, we're working with a model with some work shown, so to speak. So remember, right now this looks kind of funky. Remember, I can rearrange it all I want. I might put the things that look like each other. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do what's called collect like terms. Keyword there is like. Which terms are like each other? Well, these 2 are like each other. They don't have any variables to go with them, so I can say 40 plus 30 plus x equals 180. If you wanted to put it on the other side, you could do that too. So here I know 40 and 30 makes 70. I haven't done anything to the side. I haven't like put anything over there, right? I haven't moved anything around. All I did was combine stuff. I know 40 plus 30 is 70. And so now I just got to get x by itself somehow. So think about, how could I get this by itself? Well, I need to get rid of that 70. So I'm going to do x plus 70 minus 70. And I'm allowed to switch that around. Order does not matter. But obviously, if I do something to one side, I need to do the same thing to the other. So this would tell me, well, this equals x. 180 minus 70, that equals 110. So let's think about what we have here so far in our explanation. We've got a fact. We kind of have more facts stated here with our work shown and it's kind of a model, I guess. So now we can write an assertion here at the very end. I can say therefore, right, assertion, therefore, the missing angle in the window is 110 degrees. And there we go. We've got a fact, we've got a model, some work shown, and we've got an assertion. So all in all, we've got our corrected answer to our problem. Now it's your turn to go to your exit ticket reflection page and reflect on how yours could be better using those questions provided.